Hi, Goddess of Love here again. Kamusta kayo dyan mga goddess ko? So, yeah, another reading na naman tayo today for the water signs, Cancer, Scorpio, and Pisces. So, yeah, kamusta kayo dyan mga water signs natin dyan? Anong meron right now for you mga water signs? So, let's check. Anong sitwasyon meron kayo ng iyong person in separation man or with connection pa, no? So, and again, yeah, message or advice from the universe, no? So let's see anong sitwasyon meron sa inyo mga water signs, no? Kuha tayo ng 3 cards here, no, for you mga water signs. So, yeah, ano kayang sitwasyon ng mga water signs natin, no, sa inyong person. Tingnan natin. 3 cards for the water signs. So, medyo mahirap kunin talaga, no? Dikit-dikit kasi yung ating mga cards. So, tignan natin yan. Sana maganda naman, no? So, kasi kay air sign and fire sign is red flag, eh, no? So, tignan natin. And again, another red flag na naman. So, nalulungkot ako pag nakikita akong red flag kasi gusto ko happy lang palagi, no? So, but then, no, you have this friend with benefits, no? For some of you water sign, no, maybe you are dealing with a friend, no, right now, no? For some of you lang, no? So, kung sino lang makaka-relate dito, no? So, tignan natin. Chase me, it's fun, no? So, merong mutual understanding dito and naguhulihan kayo ng emotions, no? Something like that, no? For some of you, no? So, because you are being of just friends, no, for some of you, no, so ang alam ng mga siguro circle of friends nyo, right, ay magkakakilala kayo, no, but then yun nga, no, you have this friend with benefits, no, so and then chase me, it's fun. So for me, it's a mutual understanding, you know, so meron kayong mutual understanding ng friend mo na ito, no, water sign, no, for some of you, because, di ba, meron kayong ganito, no, so yeah, I think with the chase me, it's fun, is naguhulihan kayo dito ng emotions, no, so something like that, no, so may something happening, but then, parang hindi nyo makuha yung talagang emotion nyo sa isa't isa, but then nagkakaintindihan kayo, no? So, take what's resonate lang for you, mga water sign. And the last card is, so yeah, no? You have this flirting with others, not serious, no? So, maybe for some of you, if you are not dealing with your friend, no? Or yeah, if you are in a relationship, no, maybe your person ay nalaman mo na flirting with others, no, or maybe this friend of yours, no, that's why you are not committed with that person, is you are seeing him or her na nagpo-flirt pa with others, no, so no, not being serious talaga sa isang relasyon. That's why hindi magkaroon ng label, label ang inyong relationship, hindi mag hindi ba mag-level up, no? So friends lang palagi, no? But then you have this mutual understanding, no? Because maybe you think that person, that friend of yours is still flirting, no? So, kumaga, ay nature niya yung pag-flirt with others, no? And that's why, hindi niya mabigyan ng label yung sa inyong dalawa, no? So there is an open relationship with this friend of yours, no? Water sign, no? So, kung sino lang makaka-relate dito, mga water signs, no? Right, no? So, I think for me, maybe you have to clear, you have, yung mag-usap kayong dalawa, because if you are having this, di ba, parang hindi naman tama, right? No? Because, I don't know if ito yung setup nyo for some of you, talagang open lang sa isa't isa, something like that. But then, if you having this if you are questioning yourself, bakit ganito, maybe it's time na siguro para magtanong ka rin, mag-usap kayo nitong friend mo na 'to. Ano bang meron talaga sa inyo? If wala naman talaga, papayag ba kayo for some of you na ganito na lang ba palagi? Maybe, kung hindi niya talaga mabigyan ng label ang inyong relationship, hanggang friends lang talaga, maybe, for me, you have to stop this, no? Because it's not good for you, no? For the both of you, of course, no? Kasi, paano kapag nagkaroon na kayo ng mga serious relationship, 'di ba? Magkakaroon ng doubt yung new person na papasok sa buhay niyo, right? Kasi you are open with this, no? Because kung sino man tong friend mo na to, is, I think, kapag nasanay talaga kayo ng ganito lang kayo, and then meron na kayo mga kanya-kanyang relasyon, I don't know, maybe for some of you baka mag-iba na rin, but then, for some of you naman, pwedeng magtuloy-tuloy kasi yung ganito kasi parang nato-tolerate, di ba? This is not a good relationship really, kasi pag friends is friends, but then if you having these benefits, no, something like that, hindi maganda siyang tignan. For me kasi ang having intimate um relationship is a sacred, no, for me. Yeah, hindi naman tayo perfect, no? So, siguro most of us sa past natin, before tayo mag-settle down, no? Siyempre, nagkakaroon kayo ng iba't ibang relationship, of course, dahil you are seeking for the true love, di ba? Right? No? So, but then, if you are in a relationship na, then, dapat wala nang ganito, friends with benefits or open relationship, whatever, no? Kasi, parang ang hindi lang maganda tignan yung you are sharing your self with others, no? Instead of one person only, right? Being respectful na lang din yun sa sarili mo, right? No? Baka, kasi kapag hindi mo para pag ganito kasi parang wala kang respeto sa sarili mo, no? Something like that, no? So, wag kayong ma-open, no? So, ito lang naman yung nakikita ko. But then, wala namang masama, right? No? Kasi gustuhan niyo yan both. But then, maybe you have to stop na, no? If wala naman talagang patutunguhan tong ganito ninyo, you have to stop, respect yourself, no? And of course, respect the future love that will coming to you, no? So, yeah, that's it, no? So, tignan naman natin anong message or advice sa'yo ni Universe Water Signs, no? Kuha tayo ng 2 cards here for you, Water Signs. So, ano kayang message sa'yo or advice, no? Tignan natin. Ano to? So, you have this Death and the Maiden. So, what is this? Invasion, boundaries. Wait lang, basahin ko lang violence. Violence ba to? Invasion, boundaries violated, dominance. What is, tama ba? Medyo malabo kasi yung aking mata, no? So, I think, ang message sa'yo dito ni Universe na whoever you are na nandito sa ganitong sitwasyon na very toxic relationship, situationship, no? Maybe for some of you, kung makikita mo rito, di ba, may bungo rito. this is a toxic situation, invasion, maybe invasion of privacy, something like that, no, for some of you. May nangingialam sa buhay mo, no, for some of you lang, may nagko-control, something like that, no, with this, no, whatever it is, relationship man, family situationship man, no, something like that, no. So, malalaman niyo naman yan sa sarili niyo if someone is controlling, someone is manipulating you, right? No? So, kumbaga, wala ka ng karapatan para sa sarili mo. Lahat na lang kailangan ihingi mo ng no? So, maybe, I think, ang mini-message sa'yo dito ni universe, ni God, is to step out na, no? Right? To voice out what is really you need, no? What is really you want, no? So, wag kayo palagi na lang magpapakontrol, no? It's time for you to stand up for yourself, mga water sign, no? So, stop being silent, stop being stop being manipulated by others, no? Kasi, ikaw kawawa dito di ba? With that, pwede kasing maraming factors bakit ka kinokontrol ng isang tao Maybe dahil may nakukuha sila sa'yo at ayaw nilang makawala ka sa kanila. Something like that. Ginagamit ka nila. Bina-blackmail ka nila. Maraming dahilan yan 'di ba? You need to get out of that situation, no? For some of you, ito yung sinasabi sa ni universe, no? Water sign, no? So, and the other one is, so, Violet Angel, no? Breaking Dawn, no? So, yan, no? For some of you, no? So, meron nga ditong, yan, no? For some of you, you have this Breaking Dawn, no? So, sinasabi dito ni universe, maybe, you feel, for some of you, water sign, I feel that you are feeling so, in in a place where is very dark, no? Something like that. Parang, yung katulad nga dito, di ba? You must stand up with yourself, no? With, step out in that dark place, no? With this breaking dawn, no? So, kailangan malis ka na rito, hanapin mo na yung liwanag, no? Something like that, no? So, ito, connected siya, no? So, sinasabi sa iyo dito ni universe na yun nga kasi you are in a toxic situation, no? There is someone very controlling or some people controlling you, no? So, ginagamit lang nila yung pagiging inosente mo rito, no? Pagiging mabait mo dito, water sign, no? So, bakit ka ba nakokontrol? Dahil nga sobrang mabait ka sa kanila, no? Sinasamantalan nila yon. So, yeah, sinasabi sa iyo dito ni universe to have this, to break this, no? Kumbaga parang umalis ka na, hanapin mo na yung liwanag, no? So, ito, di ba? Liwanag, hanapin mo na, breaking dawn, no? So, another day, no? So, something like that, no? Hindi palaging nandito ka lang sa dilim, di ba? Merong kinabukasan, meron laging kinabukasan, pero para sa'yo is parang nandito ka lang palagi sa isang sitwasyon, no? Something like that, no? So, sinasabi sa'yo ni universe dito, ni God, na there is always tomorrow, no? For you. Na may magbabago at magbabago kung gugustuhin mo. Merong light, merong sunset in the morning, something like that, no? Hindi palaging gabi. Kasi for you, parang you feel stuck in a dark place, no? Something like that, no? So, kung sino lang makaka-resonate dito, no? So, sinasabi sa ni universe dito, water sign, na hanapin mo, buksan mo yung pintuan, hanapin mo yung liwanag, no? Breaking dawn, no? So, hanapin mo yung liwanag. There is always another day. There is a daylight, something like that, no? So, kumbaga may liwanag, hindi palaging madilim. Iniisip mo kasi na wala ka ng pag-asa na makaalis sa ganitong sitwasyon. But then, if you are being positive lang, no? Positive ka, ikalma mo yung sarili mo, no? Wag kang mag-overthink, no? Something like that. Ikalma mo yung sarili mo and then think positive, positive thoughts, no? Kumbaga, i-relax mo muna yung sarili mo. I-relax. I know you are in this kind of yung confusion talaga no. So, hindi ka makapag-isip ng tama anong dapat mong gawin, something like that, no. So, but then if you gusto mong makawala sa ganitong sitwasyon, no, kung ano man tong sitwasyon meron ka na you feel stuck, no, you feel very dark, you feel unmotivated, no, so parang walang pag-asa, something like that, no. So, alisin mo muna yan just for a while, be positive, no, ikalma mo, even just for a while, ikalma mo yung sarili mo, and then, keep positive thoughts in yourself, in your mind, no, once na you are in this calm stage na, ikalma mo yung sarili mo, and then, I think that's the moment na makakapag-isip ka ng mas maayos, ano man 'tong gusto mong gawin, paano ka makakaalis, kung ito ang gusto mong gawin, makaalis, makakapag-isip ka ng mas maganda. Kasi because if you are having this negativity sa iyong sarili, negativity sa iyong mind, wala kang maiisip na positive solution, right? So, ang dapat mong gawin first is to have positive thoughts, to calm yourself, no? Bago ka magdesisyon, no? Something like that, bago ka mag-isip ng solusyon. Because dun mo lang yun magagawa kapag positive na yung thoughts mo, kapag nakalma mo na yung sarili mo, water sign, no? So, ayun yung sinasabi sa'yo dito ni universe, ni God, no? So for me, para mas maging positive ka is i-connect mo yung sarili mo kay God, no? Connect with God, connect your heart with God, no? So, mas magiging magaan yung pag-iisip mo, no? Try that, trust me, no? So, ilang beses ko na rin yan nagawa, no? So, yeah, for me, makakatulong yun sa inyo. So, because God is always gives you positive aura, no? Something like that. If you are believing in Him, right? No? So, just keep this strong faith with God and everything will be all right? No? So, yeah, that's it for you, water sign, no? So, I hope may naka-resonate dito, no, mga water sign, no? So, yeah, God bless you all. Thank you for watching, water sign.